Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'll show you how to solve Instagram security code not received problem. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So, if you're just trying to log into Instagram and can't remember your password, username, or anything else, you can simply tap Forgot Password. Then you can type in your email address or phone number that you have linked to your Instagram account, and it will send you a verification code. So depending on what you entered there, it will either send you a security code or they will email you a login link. However, if you do not even receive that verification code, there are a couple of things you could do to guarantee that you do get your security code. All we have to do is go into our device settings, and then scroll all the way down to apps, and then press on the search bar over here, and then search for Instagram, and we'll select that. So, once you're here, you'll want to force stop the app. Then select the storage option over here, and then clear all of the app's data. This has no impact on your Instagram account. Basically, this removes all temporary data from the app that could have corrupted some of their files and disables you from logging in. So, after you've done that, go back and head to the permissions option and allow all of these. So, once you've completed all of that, go out of here and go back to Instagram, where you should be able to use it without any login issues. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.